Iawo, Kadochiko, cu deporte.
Manere tumba de águias rung avisa, com mi Bible de mi man, mita mira luz no horizonte. Assim está. HBO e Showtime chegam a um acordo para transmitir a pelea Mayweather-Pacquiao simultaneamente. Na comienzo, Turcosta para derivar qual televisão lo transmitia a pelea. Pero esse aí está atrás de lomba. A Warsi é barata de escote de Floyd Mayweather Jr. Bota brinca of boquear na Yamabo galinha, maneira Mike Tyson e Evander Holyfield avisa. Vamos lá, televisão não está clara. Oh, tá. Mayweather tem que tomar a decisão e amanhã está sua deadline. E a Muchinan de Aruba Junior está trazendo duro para mira se por manter o título de campeão.
E aya aqui, time de Junior de Aruba Junior nota conta com o jogador de estatura e está trabalhando riba plan que tem com wega muito mais rápido e com hope passes.
It's difficult to say because this year, St. Nicholas has a really strong team coming up from the Passerella. The Passerella was really strong, and we don't have a big team as we did as of last year. This year, our players are a little bit smaller in size, and they're not as skilled as the last group that left us. But we're pushing to get a little bit better in our skill set and our team play. Individual skill set won't count on the court if you play well as a team. And so we're pushing to get better team play. As we get better team play, we think we have a really good chance to defend the title. If not, we're sure we'll be in the game.
In the game.
Yeah.
You're training them today to move a lot.
Yeah.
That is part of the new plan because you don't have the group from last year.
Exactly. Exactly. With a smaller group, you have to be more tactical, you have to be faster, you have to be more precise. When your guys are shorter, they need to be out and moving because guys who are taller and longer have less movement to make. They take up more space. So a shorter team, of course, you have to move quick. You have to throw precise. You have to guarantee that you catch the ball, right? Once you catch the ball, you have to keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Eventually what happens is you get the other team confused in where the ball is. So you're constantly moving the ball, trying to get the back of the big team. Their defense, you're trying to get behind their back, and then you have a better chance of scoring.
Till now, you're happy how it's going with let's say, with these young kids?
I'm happy with them, but the truth of the matter is the training is, since it's a little bit different, and the way I say different is guaranteeing that they catch the ball. That's more important to me than just going in for a layup because we're dependent on the team now. And some guys are really advanced in their skill set, but we have to pull back that skill set for them to spread it out amongst the team versus going one-on-one against, say for instance, they have Oscar Benito and St. Nicholas.
Yes.
Pretty tall, and he's a really good player. And if you try to challenge him one-on-one, he's going to get you a majority of the time without fouling you. He has long arms, he's pretty tall, very athletic. We don't have that same advantage. So we will have to be precise. If we can get him out of position, then we have a better chance to score or to get him to foul us.
O campionato está planeado para começar dia 25 de fevereiro. A tua equipe não está preparando e acaba para o campeonato. Está primeiro de vira interessante aqui. Ironi, você quer Mayweather da clube? Amanhã é o deadline, não? Porque a outra deadline.
Me avisava que ainda quer.
Também é Holyfield que o Mike Tyson avisou. Está corre para Pacquiao.
Que eu vou dizer? É da Cocodec?
Correcto, correcto.
Corre para